welcome back to Marcella's Way. I hope you guys have been enjoying all of this information I've been putting out. I hope it's helpful. Make sure you check out this playlist of the videos that I've just done recently, and make sure you just browse through the channel and check out some other videos that I have. This channel has a lot of information on it. Okay, so as you guys saw from the title, today's video, we are going to be talking about different sublimation printers, okay? We are going to be talking about the best as of December 2021, okay? Now, this could change. You never know. A lot of these sublimation companies or just regular printer companies could come out with something else. But as of right now, I'm going to give you guys a general of the top ones. And this is based off of just some research that I've done on the internet. And I did the hard research so you don't have to, okay? So, number one, and I am so grateful that I am able to have this one. This printer is the Epson 7710. It was actually number one, and I don't disagree. The 7710 is an amazing printer, and it has held up greatly. I mean, it is a good printer. So that is the Epson 7710, and it is an amazing printer. It, as long as you run a print head cleaning once a week, you don't have no problems. Even if after you haven't printed for a while, you run a print head cleaning on it, it shouldn't give you no problems. The last I heard, it was difficult to get your hands on one of these, but being that it's on this review guide, I don't know. Maybe somebody has pushed some 7710s out somewhere. Who knows? But I will say, look on Amazon, see if it's some up there. They might be a little bit on the pricey side because I was thinking that Epson wasn't making them anymore. But like I said, things change all the time. You never know. The next one is an Epson ET 15000. Now, don't get this confused with the Epson XP 15000, which will be coming a little later on in this list. But I have not used this printer before. Like I said, these are ones that are in the top reviews for December 2021. This is the printer. So I'm going to make sure that I put all of the printers on the screen right here. As you see, it's a beaut. It says ET. So I am assuming that is in the Eco Tank family. Eco Tanks are usually printers that allow you to put ink directly into the printer itself. So instead of you having to use cartridges, you kind of put them into this Eco Tank. Basically like reserves or saves money from using cartridges and having to dispose of cartridges and all of that stuff, which makes it more eco-friendly. The next one is the Epson ET Eco Tank 2720. Now, that is a tongue twister. I can't even tell you how many takes that I needed to do to get that out. This is an Eco Tank printer like I spoke of in the last printer. You basically just put the ink directly into the printer. To be honest with you, if I ever get a sublimation printer again, I probably will get an Eco Tank printer. But I know a few people that have Eco Tanks, and I haven't seen anybody complain about them. Sounds like a good deal to me, I'm going to make sure that I put all of these printers in the description box so you guys can find them. The next one is this one. It is an Epson XP 15000. Now, for people who are into DTF printing, this is a printer that has been known to be converted for DTF, but it doesn't do that well with DTF. So I'm sure that it will probably do more or better with sublimation probably than DTF, because it's a little different of a process. So yes, it was named in the top, at least the top 10. Okay, so hey, I guess the XP15000 is still living in these streets. Okay, the next one is a Sawgrass SG500. That is this printer. This is a Sawgrass. I have heard that Sawgrass printers are good printers, a little bit more expensive than the Epson printers, but you get what you pay for, okay? Sometimes. The last one on this list is the cousin to this uh printer right here, which is the Epson Artisan 1430, which can also be not only converted to a sublimation printer, but it also can be converted to a DTF printer. So if you can get your hands on an Artisan 1430, you can have, and especially if you can get two of them, you can have one that's a sublimation printer, and then you can have another one that is a DTF printer. So this list is the tops based off of my research of sublimation printers. So if you are interested in finding out information about any of these printers that I have mentioned in this video, make sure you check down in the description box. And also, if you are interested in any other thing, merch, one-on-one coaching sessions, sublimation transfers, sublimation blanks, that will also be in the description box. If you have any more questions about sublimation that you want me to answer, make sure you put that down in the comment section, and I will make sure that I try to get to that question as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for coming back to Marcella's Way. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of the new subscribers. If you are not a subscriber yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that post notification. And make sure that you leave a bumblebee in the comment section letting us know that you're new so we can welcome you to the Marcella's Way fam. I appreciate you so much. And as usual, I have a my way so I can inspire you guys to have a your way.